Hey everyone, I am Mr. Helper. Before I start this video, I want to mention this. This video is specifically for those of you who wants to keep their files organized. By organized, I mean to say all the files like music files should be kept in music folder. Similar to that, all the image files, all the program files, all the video files should be kept inside program folder, images folder, music folders, etc. But here's the twist. This video is not about how to organize your files properly. As you read the title of this video, I am going to show you how to pin your folder in Taskbar so that you can open your specific folder immediately in just one click. Let me show you. As you can see, this is my program folder. If I click over here, it will open the program folder, as you can see. So if you guys are interested to know how to do it, then keep watching. First of all, you have to right click on your desktop and select new, and under new you will going to find shortcut. Click on it. Now it is asking for type the location of the item. Click on browse. Go to the location where is your folder. In my case, I am having my folder in my C drive, music, as you can see right here. This is the folder. You can cut and paste the location right here, or you can select it like this also. Click on OK. Now just before the location of your folder, type Explorer. Make sure you type Explorer properly, otherwise this step won't going to work. Now click on next. Name the folder. In our case it is a music folder, so we will going to type music. Now click on finish. Now right click on properties. Let's give this folder an icon. Right click, then properties, then click on change icon and select whatever icon do you want to. If you're not having the list of icon like I am not having, then there is another way to get all the list of the icon. As you can see, lots of icon is missing from this list. To get it back, you have to select any other folder. Click on properties, click on customize, click on icon, change icon, and copy this location and paste it over here. Okay, now we have whole list of icons. Since this is an music folder, so I will going to find a proper icon for the music. So this is the one I like to use. Click on apply, click on OK. Now drag this icon and pin it over here, and as you can see, it is now properly pinned, and if I open it, it will going to open my music folder. Now there is one more thing that you should do. Since this is the icon of this folder, so we will going to change this icon also to recognize later. So this both of this icon is same, so this will going to help us to find the exact folder quickly. Okay, now you can delete this one. You don't need this icon anymore. You can delete it and it will still work. Okay, so let me show you another folder also how to do it. First of all, I have to type that location first, so that I won't need to copy this again from here. Okay, so this time I will going to change the icon of this folder. Okay, open this location, cut, right click, new, shortcut, paste the location. At the beginning, type Explorer. Make sure you are typing Explorer properly, otherwise this won't work. Next, give the name of this shortcut. Click on properties, change icon, and paste this location of our icons. You can choose your desired icon if you have any, like I have in my desktop. As you can see, this is the icons that I have. So this is the icon. Now drag this down here. Again, go to the folder, click on properties. This is not necessary to have this icon over here also, but I am just showing you that you should do it. That's my suggestion. And now you are done. You can delete this one. So that's all for today. I hope you guys find this video informative. Click on like button to show me your support. Comment below if you're having any questions regarding this video. I will try my best to help you. Share this video with your friends and family members, whoever you like to share. It is totally free. And at last, make sure to subscribe my channel for more videos like this, as well as press that bell button so that you get notified whenever I make new videos for you. And one more thing, please visit my website www.iammrhelper.com. Link is in the description box below. All the social website links are in the description box below, so always check the description. So until then, take care, have a nice day, and I will see you next time. Bye.